Today we're exploring 10 mysteries that science still cannot explain. Beneath the surface of our advanced technology, the universe is hiding secrets that completely break the laws of physics, biology, and history as we know them. Welcome to Discover the World in 10. Today we are looking at 10 mysteries that the smartest scientists on Earth still cannot explain. Make sure to stick around for number 1, because it might just make you question your own reality. Let's dive in. Starting our list at number 10, we have an invisible torture device. In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, about 2% of the population hears a constant, low-frequency buzzing noise. It sounds like a distant diesel engine idling. Here's the crazy part. Audio engineers have set up highly sensitive microphones all over the town. The result? Total silence. The machines pick up absolutely nothing. Yet, people are losing sleep, getting headaches, and going crazy over a sound that technically doesn't exist. Is it a mass psychological delusion? Secret military experiments? Or something shifting deep within the Earth's crust? Science simply doesn't know. Number 9 brings us to the most powerful and unexplained machine in the universe. Your brain. We all know what the placebo effect is. A doctor gives a patient a fake sugar pill, tells them it's a powerful medicine, and somehow the patient gets cured. But how does a fake pill shrink a real tumor? How does a belief physically change blood pressure or heal tissue? Scientists understand that the brain releases endorphins, but the actual mechanism of how a simple thought translates into complex biological healing is a total blank spot in modern medicine. At number 8, we look to the stars. On August 15, 1977, an astronomer named Jerry Eman was looking at data from the Big Ear radio telescope. Suddenly, he saw a signal from deep space that was so incredibly strong and so perfectly aligned with what an alien transmission would look like that he wrote, "Wow," in red pen right on the paper. The signal lasted exactly 72 seconds. It came from the direction of the Sagittarius constellation. For over 40 years, scientists have pointed the most advanced telescopes in the world at that exact spot, hoping to hear it again. But there's only silence. Was it a passing alien ship? A rare cosmic event? We are still waiting for a callback. Number 7 is a book that has defeated the greatest codebreakers in human history, including the cryptographers of World War II. The Voynich Manuscript is a 600-year-old book written in an entirely unknown language. It's filled with illustrations of plants that do not exist on Earth, strange astrological charts, and bizarre medical procedures. Carbon dating proves the book is real and from the 15th century. But despite the use of modern artificial intelligence and supercomputers, not a single word has been successfully translated. Is it an elaborate medieval hoax or the lost knowledge of a forgotten civilization? At number 6, let's talk about nature's built-in GPS. Every year, millions of monarch butterflies travel thousands of miles from North America to a specific forest in Mexico. Here's the problem. The butterflies making the trip have never been there before. It takes multiple generations to complete the journey, yet they know exactly which trees to land on. Same goes for sea turtles returning to the exact beach they were born on decades later. Scientists theorize they use the Earth's magnetic field, quantum entanglement, or even smell. But how this biological hardware actually works remains a total mystery. Number 5. Completely rewrites human history. Found in a shipwreck off the coast of Greece in 1901, the Antikythera Mechanism is essentially a 2,000-year-old analog computer. This device has dozens of precision-cut bronze gears used to predict eclipses, track planetary movements, and even count down to the ancient Olympics. The mystery? Technology like this didn't appear again until the mechanical clocks of 14th century Europe. How did the ancient Greeks possess a piece of engineering that was over 1,000 years ahead of its time, and why did this knowledge completely vanish? Number 4 is the biggest elephant in the cosmic room. Look at everything around you. Your phone, your body, the Earth, the stars. All of this normal matter makes up only 5% of the universe. The other 95%, scientists call it dark matter and dark energy. We know it exists because we can see its gravity holding galaxies together and pulling the universe apart. But we can't see it, touch it, or interact with it. We have literally no idea what 95% of our own universe is made of. Let that sink in. Coming in at number 3, where is everybody? The observable universe contains about 2 trillion galaxies. There are billions of Earth-like planets just in our own Milky Way. Mathematically, the universe should be teeming with intelligent alien life. This is the Fermi Paradox. If aliens exist, why haven't we seen a single piece of evidence? Are we truly alone? Or is there a great filter? A catastrophic event that destroys all advanced civilizations before they can explore the stars? And if so, are we next? Number 2 is something you do every single day. We spend a third of our lives sleeping. If you live to be 90, you will spend 30 years unconscious, paralyzed, and hallucinating, which we call dreaming. From an evolutionary standpoint, sleeping is a terrible idea. It leaves us vulnerable to predators and wastes time. While we know sleep helps with memory and cellular repair, scientists still don't have a definitive answer as to why we must sleep, or why sleep deprivation will literally kill you faster than starvation. And finally, the number 1 mystery scientists cannot explain: you. Specifically, human consciousness. Your brain is just a 3-pound lump of fat, water, and proteins. It's just a collection of atoms firing electrical signals. Yet, somehow this biological machine creates the experience of being alive. It creates emotions, thoughts, the appreciation of a beautiful sunset, and the ability to ask questions about the universe. How does physical matter create a subjective, inner world? Philosophers and neuroscientists call this the hard problem of consciousness. And right now, we are nowhere near solving it. Which of these mysteries messes with your head the most? Let me know down in the comments. I read all of them. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe to Discover the World. In 10 for more mind-blowing facts every single day. Thanks for watching and stay curious.